So the first question is food squishy or character squishy, and I'd have to choose character squishy because it's Next question is Hello Kitty or Rilakkuma. This is my Hello Kitty holding a Castella cake. And this is my Rilakkuma from the breakfast series. And I'd have to choose Rilakkuma. And the next question is Breadou or Aoyama Tokyo. I do not have a Breadou squishy, so I'd have to go with Aoyama Tokyo. But I'd probably choose Aoyama Tokyo over Breadou if I had one. Next is smell or no smell. And this one smells like strawberries. And this one obviously doesn't have a scent, and this is the baby round. And I'd have to go with smell because this smells amazing. Next question is tiny or big, and this is a mochi jumbo seal. It's as big as my hand, but I'd have to choose the smaller squishy. This is a marshmallow pig. I don't know, I just feel like squishies are getting too big for me to put in my room. Next question is openable packaging or sealed packaging. This is a Punomaru frog squishy, and it's sealed. And when you try to open it, it kind of rips the packaging. So I have this one that's open. This is the non-repo one, and this is the reproduced one. A lot squishier. But anyways, once you open the packaging, it just rips completely. So I have to choose openable packaging because I can open this easily without harming the squishy, as you can see here. So this is the mochi bunny, and this is the other one. Next question is bread or cake, and this is the Cutie Creative Mini Loaf. And this is a Bear School cupcake. Because I do not have any cake slices at the moment, I have to choose the cake instead of bread because I love sweets a lot. And next question is chocolate or vanilla, and this is a Cafe Dien reproduced croissant. Super squishy. And this is a Cafe Sakura croissant. And I'd have to choose chocolate because chocolate is amazing, especially dark chocolate. And the last question is package openings or squishy tags, and I generally prefer package openings because I love seeing squishies that other people have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day, and goodbye.